Hi there, my name is Sam, I'm from Magnet, and in this video I'm going to show you how to rewire a plug top. So in this video I'm going to wire a plug top because this one happens to be broken, so we need to replace it. So the first thing we're going to want to do is undo all the screws, like so. So inside here you can see the live, the neutral and the earth. The live is always connected to a fuse, so in the event of any fault it will protect the appliance. So I'm just going to undo all the terminals, being careful not to lose a screw while I do that. Just enough to get the wires out. You don't want to do it too much or you will end up losing the screw. And then pull the cables out. So here I've got my replacement plug top, so I'm going to do the same thing again and unscrew the main screw to get it open. So in here we've got the same layout and it's all been clearly identified as well. So you've got the live here, neutral there and the earth there. So the live terminal is marked with an L and it's also got the fuse on it. The neutral's got an N and the earth's got an E. So I'm going to feed our cable through the clamp, like so. So with any cable, the live is always the brown, the neutral is always the blue, and the earth is always the green and yellow. So sometimes the plugs can be quite difficult to get terminals into. So you can pull the pin up, and you should be able to get the wiring quite comfortably. So I want to spin these around just to make sure it doesn't fray up as we put it in. And it should go in nice and easy. Screw the terminal up, make sure it's tight. Make sure all the copper's inside it as well. Give it a push and that one's good to go. Right, so I'm just doing up the live terminal over here. So now I'm just going to check all the terminals to make sure that the cables are still tight. And if you can reach inside them, it's a good idea to give them a pull and then you know for sure. So those are good to go. It's important to get the black cable inside the plug. You don't want any colours sticking out of the plug, and then you can give the clamp a tighten it. Once you're happy with that, give it a pull, make sure it's all good.
If you're replacing a plug top with a plug top that already has a fuse installed, it's important to make sure that you check the fuse is correctly rated for the appliance or cable. Our appliance requires a 13 amp fuse, but our new plug top has a 10 amp fuse already installed. We'll take the 13 amp fuse from the plug top we just removed and install it into the new plug top.
So once we've got all the cables back in and tightened up, we want to close the plug up. And then put the screw back in. Give it a nice tighten. And the plug should be good to go. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you found it useful. If you did, please make sure to give us a follow so then you don't miss out on any new videos.